What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a goblet squat.
Okay, let's go ahead and go over the goblet squat. Performing a goblet squat, it's important to target a depth of at least 90 degrees for each rep. With force being applied through the heels, the feet should be flat on the ground and about shoulder lengths apart. Okay, and here's a nice set of garbage. If you want your knees to disintegrate, this is exactly what you should do.
All right, fam, and that's how you do a goblet squat. Until next time.